On my trip to Tokyo, I came back with a handful of these Pokemon statue blind boxes, and I'm gonna crack them open to see what I get. There's a few ones that I kind of want from each set. That's why I grabbed a handful of the ones that I really want, and a few of the other ones that I kind of thought were cool. So let's get cracking. So the first three are these Battle on Desk ones. It looks like they're supposed to be cell phone holders. The one I really want is that little Mega Rayquaza, shiny Mega Rayquaza. Hopefully one of them is. The first one, oh, Ceruledge. Let's crack that open there. Comes like, you gotta assemble him, but it's just Pokemon in the base. That is this one here, how it's assembled. I only got 3 chances, so let's crack it open. They are taped, so I did undo the tape. Oh, Sprigatito. That's the cell phone holder one, the big. They actually built pretty well. Little Sprigatito there. That's the cell phone holder one there. Last shot. I did buy a handful, but there are quite a bit. Oh, actually, not Rayquaza, but Charizard. That looks pretty dope too. I don't know if that's a cell phone holder as well. That's Charizard there. Grab 3 of these Lantern Diorama. The one I kind of really want is this Charmander that's leaping there. So let's crack open box number 1. And oh, it's Jirachi. Box number 1 is Jirachi there. Box number 2 is... oh, who's this one? Oh, is it Charmander? Oh, I kind of a little excited because the Charmander has that one, but it is also... there we go. Oh, there we go. Chandelure. It's also Chandelure as well. Almost there. Got me a little excited. Box number 3. It is... oh, who is this? Is it Lantern? I think it's Lantern. Oh, yeah, it is. There we go. No Charmander. Next up is these pocket statue ones. The one I really want is the Garchomp there. But this overall is pretty stacked. It's all dragon related. So box number 1 comes up as... oh, hard to tell. Oh, is that Salamence? Ooh, Salamence. These are probably my favorite. These are actually like really nice. They're a lot bigger as well. And they have a really nice base at the bottom too, so it's a really good display. Oh, fire. Box number 2. Oh, is it Salamence again? First duplicate. Got Salamence. Box number 3. Oh, Dragonite. Dragonite. That's a really nice one as well. Box number 3, Dragonite. So this one's Bonsai 2. I'm assuming they made a Bonsai 1 at some point. And this is number 2. So crack it open and see what's inside. I do kind of want that Lugia. And it's Fletchling? Oh, it's Fletchling and Chespin. So it's Fletchling and Chespin, 2 for 1. Next up is Peaceful Moments. More little figures that are peaceful in nature. The one I want is this Celebi here. So let's crack it open and see if I land it. It's 1 out of 6 shot. It's always tough to tell. Oh! Ooh! I got the one I wanted. I've been down on luck on these blind boxes, not getting the ones I wanted. That is Celebi. The final box is Neon Party. I wouldn't mind getting either the Gengar or the Umbreon there. So 1 in 6 chance. Crack it open. Oh, it's the Pikachu Zigzagoon one. Let's put it like that. That's this Pikachu Zigzagoon one. Now I have a lot of assembling to do. Not that I'm complaining, but next time I'm there, I'm gonna have to probably try my odds again and grab a handful more. I really, really want to eventually get the shiny Rayquaza. That's one of my top ones out of all these sets that I really want to get. But can't win them all.